Tired of manually transferring Facebook leads to Kvcore and losing precious time that could be spent closing deals? First, log into your Facebook Business Manager and navigate to the specific ad account you use for lead generation. Then, on the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Publishing Tools. Inside Publishing Tools, find and select Lead Ads Forms here. You'll see all the lead forms you've created for your Facebook campaigns. Now, choose the lead form you want to connect to Kvcore and click on the CRM Setup tab. This is where the magic happens. Since Kvcore isn't directly integrated, we'll use Zapier, a powerful automation tool. Click the Connect Your CRM button and choose Zapier. In Zapier, create a new Zap connecting Facebook lead ads as the trigger, meaning when someone fills out your form, and Kvcore as the action. Next, you will need to map the fields carefully. Match the information from your Facebook lead form, like name, email, and phone number, to the corresponding fields in Kvcore. Finally, test your Zap to ensure leads are flowing correctly into Kvcore. Now, sit back and watch as new Facebook leads automatically populate your Kvcore dashboard, ready for immediate follow-up, saving you time and maximizing your conversion potential.